Welcome back to my channel, my lovely Tiki-Cooks. It's been a long while since I have spoken to you guys. If you're just joining, hi, and if you've been here a while, thank you for your support thus far. Keep turning on those notification bells to be reminded whenever I drop a new video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Today I'll be making some cheddar bay biscuit by the title, and let me tell you something, I am not a pastry baker, but this, my dear, it turned out exceptionally well. So yeah, you'll see that going forward in this video. However, for those subscribers who you might not understand some of the local part what the moment jumpy like no, even those who speak standard English, you might not understand every word I'm saying. I actually still put the instructions on the screen, so yeah, get right into it. I am currently adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour to my bowl, and then to this I am going to add my seasonings, which are half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of paprika and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. You can add more or less depending on your taste. Next, I am going to be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now I'm using granulated. 1 tablespoon of baking powder because it's time for that rise. You know, baking need rise in there, and at least I don't like baking in there. Precise. You have to be precise. I'm gonna like that. I'm gonna like it. Not one bit. Anyway, this part is pretty straightforward, like real straightforward. I just mix it up, I combine it. Yeah, I mix it around. You remember that SpongeBob something that bring it around town? Alright, so I mix it up. You see me? Yeah, and then I will be adding to this, my dear friend, 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese. I am using sharp cheddar cheese. Maybe you can use mild or you could use extra sharp or whatever is your choice. I am using 2 cups of cheddar cheese. You can add 1 cup, you can add 1.5, you can go all out and use 3. Well, actually don't use 3, that would be way too much, and I don't know how it will turn out because I am not a baker, so I can't give you baking advice. Alright, next I'll be adding to this yes, I've added some melted butter. It's half cup melted butter, but to make up the half cup I used half of it as butter and half of it as shortening and melt it up, and together it's half cup combined. So now I'm just making this into a paste before I had my buttermilk, which is 1 cup, and I'm just going to add it gradually and fold that baby in, tuck it in, you know, just fold it like, yeah, fold it. Shut up. So yes, I'm just folding in my mixture, and then I'm going to form them using an ice cream scoop. So yes, and then I'm going to put it in the oven, which I have preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have a Celsius oven, you just Google it and do the math. Says me. Nobody not really like maths unless you're a nerd. Which, speaking of nerd, if you wear glasses and you'd like some fancy looking glasses accessories, then my darling, go check out my Instagram. I'm going to put it right up here on the screen, and you go and see if you see anything you like. I'm putting up both the business and my personal cooking channel. Alright, back into it. So yes, I'm just folding it. You know, this nice to play with it, and I feel nice. I don't really think it's sticky and stuff, but surprisingly, it just glide for your hand. I'm going to now shape my biscuits by putting it, I'm actually out of parchment paper, so I didn't went that route today. So I used the foil paper and lined the baking sheet. I didn't oil it or anything to grease it, and then I'm just going to use this ice cream scoop now and evenly distribute each biscuit size onto the sheet pan. Alright, so yes, I just can't look at the unevenness, so I had to, you know, uniform it. So yeah, I just took them up back and reshaped them, if you're seeing that they look different than when I just put it down. So yeah, even though it could have risen and shaped out like a biscuit or whatever, but you know, I'm extra, I'm gonna have to deal with thing one different kind of way. So yes. Alright, so this is just about ready to go into the oven for, as I said, 10 to 12 minutes, and then I'll be back. So I'll be back. Who beg na get, who na beg na want? Who beg no get, who na beg no want? Guys, my kitchen smell nice. Yo, these are smelling so delicious. I mean, I tell you, it tastes nice. Okay, I'm not frightened, but right about now, I'm just going to butter the top of my biscuits with some butter mixture that I added some garlic powder, some fresh thyme, and some chopped up parsley. And now I'm just buttering my biscuits. I butter up the biscuits, the buns outside. Shut up. So yeah, I'm just doing this, and I'm going to sprinkle the top with salt and get ready for yummy time. But stop right there, so when I really think I'm gonna go and drop the little last ending, visually satisfying, visually appealing, something there at the end. That would not be me. You mad? So yes, I'm going to leave that, but before I go, I want to thank you guys for sticking around thus far. If you've been here from the beginning, if you joined on along the way, I really do appreciate you. Thanks so much for your support. Continue to like, share, comment, and stay subscribed. And if you're new here and you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? It's very fun and festive over here. Over here, have a buzz. Over here, have a buzz. Bzz. So yes, guys, thanks again so much. I love you guys, my lovely taquitas. See you in the next one, and let's rendezvous at around sometime-ish. Thanks again once again, guys, and enjoy. Bye bye.